Haiti, a small island nation in the Caribbean, rich in history, culture, and spirit, but also burdened by hardship. Natural disasters, political instability, and poverty have plagued Haiti for generations. Yet, the Haitian people endure. Their resilience is a testament to their strength and spirit. Haiti gained independence in 1804. It was a beacon of hope, the first Black republic. But freedom did not guarantee prosperity. Haiti has faced numerous challenges throughout its history. These struggles have shaped the lives of its people, their daily realities a testament to their enduring spirit. Life in Haiti is a constant struggle for many. Poverty is widespread. Access to basic necessities like clean water, healthcare, and education is limited. Many Haitians struggle to provide for their families. They face unemployment, food insecurity, and inadequate housing. Natural disasters are a recurring threat. Earthquakes, hurricanes, and floods devastate the island. These events exacerbate existing problems, displacing families and destroying livelihoods. The impact of climate change further intensifies these challenges. The people of Haiti live with the constant knowledge that disaster can strike at any moment. Amidst these hardships, stories of resilience emerge. Meet Marie, a single mother of 3. She lost her home in the 2010 earthquake. With unwavering determination, she rebuilt her life, brick by brick. Marie now runs a small food stall. She provides for her children and sends them to school. Then there's Jean, a young teacher in a rural village. He walks miles each day to reach his students. The school lacks basic resources, yet Jean's commitment to education never wavers. He believes education is the key to a brighter future for Haiti. The stories of Marie-Jean and countless other Haitians are a testament to their indomitable spirit. Despite facing immense challenges, they persevere with dignity, hope, and resilience. Their spirit shines through their art, their music, their unwavering faith. The world must stand in solidarity with Haiti. We must amplify their voices, support their struggles, and celebrate their strength. The journey is long, and the road is paved with obstacles. But the Haitian people, with their unwavering spirit, continue to inspire. Theirs is a story of resilience, of hope, and of the enduring power of the human spirit.